Interesting fact. You don't know this about me. So my buddy, when we were younger, he was a little older. His name's Pat Carrigan, a good friend of mine. And the first car that we restored was a 73 Cuda. Right there, 73 Cuda.
We thought you were talking to one of us.
And that's about the way that it looked when he got it. It was bad. It had a 318, had 3-speed torque flight trans in it. And believe it or not, the kids' parents who actually had a little bit of money, they drove Formula 350 Firebirds and some other stuff. This car right here beat them all. How about that? So we actually restored this car. We did a lot of mechanical work. We did a lot of stuff. We did the transmission in the street in his mom's in his neighborhood, and the township came and got on us. We had trans fluid everywhere. But that's the first car that we actually restored. My first car that I actually restored with somebody. It wasn't a complete restoration. The interior was in very good condition. Mechanically and cosmetically, it just wasn't in great shape. And then Andy had it painted blue, and it was amazing. And then some years later, he wound up selling it. There you go. I've worked on a lot of different things. Thanks for watching.